So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit or mag-change ng email address sa ating GCash account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating GCash account or yung ating GCash app, and make sure guys na updated yung application na gagamitin natin. So, open na natin guys yung GCash. So, ayan guys, pagka-open, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, itap lang natin yung profile na nandito sa may lower right side. And then dito guys, sa pinakang settings or profile ng ating GCash, itap nyo lang yung arrow button na nandito sa right side. And after nyan guys, ganito yung lalabas. So, makikita nyo na dito yung inyong email address. So, kung makikita nyo guys, email address, and then meron ditong edit button. So, itutap nyo lang dito. And ayan guys, pero bago natin mapalitan yung email address, may magsasend mo ng OTP code sa ating registered mobile number. So lagay nyo lang guys yung OTP code dito. Check nyo yung message nyo para makita nyo yung OTP code. And then submit natin guys. So dito guys, lagay nyo lang yung bagong email address na gusto nyong ilagay. So dito, new email. And dito guys is confirm new email. So lalagay nyo lang ulit yung inyong email for confirmation. So, kapag okay na guys, meron na kayong bagong email address, tap nyo na yung submit. So, verify with email. A 6-digit code will be sent to your new email address. So, tap nyo na guys yung send code para makapag-send na sila ng code. And ayan guys, check nyo na yung inyong email address, check nyo yung inbox, then lagay nyo dito yung OTP code na sinend nila. So, yung OTP code is 166431. 166431. And then, submit natin, guys. So, ayan, guys. Email updated. So, ayun lang. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng email address sa ating GCash. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!